In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily log out or sign out of your Monopoly Go account on both iPhone and Android devices. If you find yourself needing to sign out of your Monopoly Go account, whether it's because you no longer want to use it on a particular device, or perhaps you're looking to switch to another account, don't worry, I'll guide you through the simple steps to do just that. Let's begin by opening the Monopoly Go app on your mobile device. Once the app is open, you should see 3 horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen. Tapping on these lines will reveal a side menu. Think of this menu as your gateway to various settings and options. Usually, these 3 lines stand as an icon for more options and settings, which is a handy tip to remember for other apps as well. Now, from this side menu, you want to find and tap on the Settings option. It's represented by a little gear icon, which is quite typical for settings menus in many apps. Once you're on the settings page, look for an option that says Manage Account. Tap on that, and this will take you to a place where you can manage the specifics of your account login. Here, you will see options to disconnect from your Facebook or Apple account, depending on which one you used to log in. For instance, if you logged in using your Facebook account, you'll see a Facebook logo. Conversely, if you used an Apple ID, you'll spot the Apple logo. For this example, I'm showing you with the Facebook account, but rest assured, the process remains the same if you used an Apple ID. At this point, all you need to do is tap the Disconnect button next to the logo of the account type you used. A confirmation prompt will likely pop up, and you just have to confirm your decision to proceed with logging out. This confirmation step is crucial as it ensures you didn't accidentally hit disconnect. Once you've confirmed, you'll want to exit the Monopoly Go app from your app switcher. Don't forget this step, as doing so completes the logout process. After exiting, go ahead and reopen the Monopoly Go app. When it starts up again, you should be greeted with the login screen. This screen signifies that you've successfully logged out of your Monopoly Go account. And that's it. You've now learned how to log out or sign out of your Monopoly Go account on your mobile device. It's as straightforward as that. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I hope you found this guide helpful. See you in the next one.